This model kit review is of the Porsche Diesel. This is a tractor, the Junior 108, and it's a 1/24 scale model by Revell, and one of the original Porsches. Quite a nice little photograph there of the model. There are the dimensions there, and some details here, and some additional photographs there. Some nice detail there. So, let's have a look inside and see what we've got. It's all mostly molded out of red, but some additional colours here. This is obviously an older model. Let's start off here with our tyres. See some two large tractor tyres and two smaller ones, so you get two of each, and they're actually quite nice and soft and flexible, and I feel like they're made out of rubber. Nice tread on there. We've got two of each. Then these sprues here, we've got our looks like our wheels. Our tires are wheels. Very large tractor wheels there. Not sure what these parts are. Here's our steering wheel, probably battery, and a little mirror there. Here we've got some chrome parts for the engine, and then the main sprues here. Open up here. So it actually looks really well molded here. We do have a little glass here for our headlights with some nice little details in there. So here's our main body right here with the engine parts there. We've got our cowls or wheel wells there. More engine parts. Really don't know what most of these things are, but they're all very nicely molded. I don't see any mold lines or flashing. Very crisp and clean. Looks like these parts will go together fairly well with little holes that are made for them. Here's another part there. This is probably the cage on the left side with the dials. Over here is the I guess the front hood. Here's our seat and transmission. There's the other seat. Maybe it's not a seat then. I don't know what that is. And again, also very nicely molded, but I have no idea what most of those parts are. Let's have a look here. You see, we've got, let's see here, the decals are. Quite a few little decals actually, and nicely printed. Let's have a look at our instructions. So here's some details about the tractor. And I don't see any color parts or color descriptions. Only that's at the front. But like I said, this is an old model kit, and this has actually been released by Revell of Germany, which usually has higher quality than the regular Revell. And so we start off with building the main body of the tractor there, and all these little parts going on there. Battery gets mounted, and there's our stick shift, front headlight assembly there. That all gets mounted, including the I guess the blower there. We've got our wheels going together with front wheel assembly all being mounted together. I guess two different options there if you want the mud guards or not. Then that's all mounted onto the main body or chassis. We've got our pedals there, and footrests. Those are our rear wheels and tires going on to the axle, and that's all then mounted onto our body as well. And then all the additional parts going on to the back. Here is our the mud guards, and then I guess maybe a roll cage or roll bar. There's the side cage, and once all those things are mounted there, we get the seat. So it looks like you do have two different options for the seat there, and then something to pull. I guess it's a tow bar. Our steering column and steering wheel. There's our front hood going together, and that's then mounted on there. And so those are the two different options. It looks like, because of those little holes there, that it's going to be able to go up and down, so you can see the engine details. And then here we have our decals there. They're recommending for the license plate to use glue to attach it and keep it on the paper instead. It makes it a little thicker, but you could also use just regular sprue or white card, white sheet of styrene, and the rest of the decals. So that's, it'll be a fun little project.